Naalala mo yung trip natin sa Japan last year? I think that was the longest time we were together, almost a month every single day. Pero before that trip, I was so sure na ikaw na yung papakasalan ko kasi nga plinano ko yung proposal. Pero after that trip, I became even more sure na I wanted to be with you every day. Gusto ko ikaw yung kasama kong umuwi. Ikaw yung gusto kong katabi sa gabi habang buhay.
Ikaw yung taong lagi kong sandalan. The one who absorbs all my rants. Ikaw yung taong naglilift sa akin. Every time I feel down, nakita mo yung totoong ako, the most unfilled version of Mara. You've seen me at my worst, and yet, still, you choose me.
Sinong mag-aakala that the person I'll spend forever with, I already met back in grade 2. We weren't even friends back then. Hindi nga tayo friends nung high school. But can you imagine, God's plan was already working. Actually, ang galing lang ni Lord kasi I had no idea na nakilala ko na pala yung the one when I was just a kid.
Maybe it's intuition, but some things you just don't question. Like in your eyes, I see my future in an instant. There it goes, I think I found my.
Thank you, Mara, sa yung.
I know that it might sound more than a little crazy, but I believe I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. There's just no rhyme or reason, only the sense of completion.
To grow old with you, to support you in everything you want to do. And I promise na pipiliin kita araw-araw. No matter what life brings, kasama mo ako. Hindi ka mag-isa. Mahal na mahal kita, Vico. You are my heart, my home, and my forever.
I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. Ooh,
siguro iniisip ng ibang tao na we've figured it all out sa relationship natin. Pero totoo, we're still learning and that's okay. Lagi nga natin na pag-uusapan na we both wanted to be independent, di ba? And now here we are, starting something new. Tayong dalawa, magkasama nating gagawin ng lahat from smallest task to the biggest decisions. Sabay tayong magsaserve kay Lord, magkasama nating haharapin ng lahat ng problema, lahat ng tagumpay, at lahat ng hindi natin alam sa ngayon. We will build something of our own rhythm, our own family, and our own life.
All my life.
My love, we've been together for 11 years. We first met back in grade 2. Nakakatawang isipin na di ko akalain na yung kinokopyahan ko pala nung grade 3 na seatmate ko na laging nangaasar sa akin would one day become my husband, my soulmate.
Drive through the night to lay underneath the stars. Feels like I'm dreaming to be wherever you are. Oh my walls.
We're so different. I'm the loud one, you're the quiet one. I love being with people. Ikaw, ang comfort zone mo ay katahimikan. Ako mahilig lumabas, ikaw mas gusto mo sa bahay. Yeah, but even with all our differences, I realize opposites do really attract.
Thank you, Miko, for loving me unconditionally. You are kind, brave, true to your words, and you always see the good in people. I thank God for giving you to me because we're completely opposites. Kabaliktaran kita sa lahat ng bagay. Kung ano yung weakness ko, ayun naman yung strength mo. You fill the gaps in me. With you, I am whole.
Just like choosing a starter Pokemon, Mara, Ichi, B, I choose you. Even without knowing what the journey will be like, I still choose you. And I will keep choosing you araw-araw. You are my answered prayer. You are proof that God's timing is perfect. And today, I give you my heart, my future, and all my love for the rest of my life.